Have you ever wondered how websites have those unique names like google.com or facebook.com? Well, that's what we call a domain name, and today I'm going to explain what a domain name is and show you how to buy one step by step. Let's get started. A domain name is basically the address of your website on the internet. Think of it like your home address, but for your website. It's what people type into their browser to find your website. For example, Amazon.com or YouTube.com. When you type a domain name, it connects to a server where your website files are stored. It's like dialing a phone number to reach someone, but much faster way and much cooler. Now that you know what a domain name is, let's learn how to buy one. It's simple and only takes a few minutes. Step 1. Choose a domain registrar. A registrar is a company where you can search for and register your domain. Popular registrar includes GoDaddy, Namecheap, and Google Domains. So for today's video, I'm going to go to GoDaddy.com and register a domain with them. Okay, so the domain that I need is wasimsheikh.com. Let's check it if it's available. Yes, it is available. For example, at times your domain might not be available. If you scroll down, you have more options over here: wasimsheikh.in, wasimsheikh.co.in. You can choose one of whichever you like, basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose wasimsheikh.com. I'll click make it yours, and I'll add to cart and continue. Okay, and once we are on this page, so it says it to protect your domain. Well, we won't be needing that as of now. It basically hides the personal information on the internet, so nobody will be able to actually see who has purchased this domain and which country does it belongs to. So if you want to keep your domain very secret, you can just go ahead and purchase it. I don't want to use that, so I don't need any domain protection. And the custom email address, we don't need this because I'll be using my own hosting to create this website, and I'll get email address in my own hosting. So I go ahead and continue to cart. Now it will ask me to go ahead and register. I already have a different account, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and register this today. So I'm not going to go for a 3-year. I'm just going to go for a 1-year plan, and I click on ready to pay. So I'll go ahead and quickly finish up my billing information, and once I have purchased the domain, we'll get back on the video. So as you can see, my domain has been purchased, and I can see that in my account. When I click on go to my account, okay, and I should be able to see wasimsheikh.com over here. So that is how you purchase a domain. In the next video, I'll be explaining how to go ahead and create the website, configure your domain. Please subscribe and have a good day.